Okay, so we are on the way to our gender reveal. Say hi, babe. Say hi. Yay! With his baby daddy shirt on. Right there. Because he's the baby daddy.
Hey, Dad.
And I was supposed to wake up at 6 o'clock this morning. But our alarm didn't go off. Do you know why our alarm didn't go off? Our alarm didn't go off because my husband decided that he actually is going to kill me for this, because he literally said all of this stays between us, and now I'm like, no. So at about 2 o'clock in the morning last night, he starts talking in his sleep. Normally this is okay because I'll just be like, hit him or kiss him and he'll like roll over. Last night I kissed him until I didn't feel like kissing him anymore because it lasted a while. So what ended up happening was I got up, I went to the bathroom, I had some water, I walked around, I had some chocolate covered cashews, had more water, got back in bed, and all of a sudden my husband hops into like my life and says, Nevada. And I said, what? And he's like, Nevada. And at first it doesn't come out as Nevada. It comes out as, And it's like, what is he talking about? And then he says it again. And then I'm like, what? Say it one more time. And then clearer, because he's actually responding to me, he says, Nevada. And I say, what's in Nevada, babe? Now I feel like I'm on this trek to find, like, I don't know, the lost temple of the Holy Grail. I'm not totally sure. And he said, that's where the rocks came from. And I'm like, now I'm incredibly confused and a little interested as to what is happening, because it is 3 o'clock in the morning and we're talking about the magic rocks from Nevada. And he says, that's where the man got the rocks that he gave me. And I'm like, what? So I was like, honey, are you awake? And he's like, kind of. And I'm like, and so at this point, I'm completely perplexed, and he just rolls over and goes to bed. Now I'm wide awake. I'm sitting in bed going, it's Nevada, and that was my night. So trying to get back to sleep after that still doesn't work. So I roll over and I try to cuddle with him, because his ass is the one that woke me up in the first place. And then we had this whole conversation about magic rocks from Nevada, and he's sound asleep, dead, not waking up, not responding. No, he almost hit me again, because, oh, that's also something he does. He spasms and like decks me in the face. Which, when the baby comes, this is going to be a problem. But
you have to get in
You were divulging way too much.
so the fact I'm running on 2 hours of sleep, I look fabulous, and I am an oversharer when I'm tired. You did this to yourself. So then I get up and I'm just trying to like make myself pretty and like, you know, get ready for the gender reveal. So I go in the shower to have a nice relaxing shower where I can shave my legs and like, you know, get ready and primp and prep. What does he do? Oh, babe, let's take a shower together, because he had a great night's sleep.
Hi.
No. So mad. Anyways, can't wait for the rest of the morning. We will be putting this on Facebook Live so that my mother and friends that are out of town can watch. And you now know that I look great after 2 hours of sleep, pregnant and annoyed.
And have 2 children.
And have 2 children, which, by the way, is another reason why we were leaving the house late. But that's a whole different... I love you too. So, just found out that Melissa lost her $400 sunglasses. And we're here at the beach. That's not convenient. Anyway, so we're at the beach for the gender reveal, and we had everybody with us. Don't know what it is. I know what it is. He knows what it is. Nobody else knows what it is. So we're gonna do this. on the beach. It's gonna be super cute. And then we're gonna have food and let the munchkins run around so that we don't have to babysit.
Oh God.
It came from Wuhan.
Maddie, come here, baby. Oh God. Oh Lord. Oh God. Now we have two.